are making pumpkin spice brownie. It's gonna be chocolatey, it's gonna be fudgy. So it's gonna be a mix of chocolate cake and a brownie. So we're gonna meet right in the middle with this brownie. So for that, first of all, I'm using Hershey milk chocolate. It's a big bar. Put it on the stove so the chocolate starts the melt. We need fresh melty chocolate with butter. I'm just sharing the main recipe, how to make this pumpkin spice chocolate brownie. Alright, so the chocolate goes there. We'll take a butter. I'm putting salted butter in there. And the butter I'm using, it's Irish butter. Here it goes. The butter. With the help of whisker, we will just make sure the butter and the chocolate, these guys blend in nicely. You know, they don't get burned at the bottom. They should just mix and form a good paste. It's already sounding delicious, right? Alright, in a mixer, right here, I'm using 1 whole baking cup of sugar. So this is, I would say, half, and this is, it makes it 1 whole spoon. So our chocolate is almost there with the butter. Remember, you have to melt the chocolate on the low flame. Do not use the high flame on it. We will take eggs, 3 round eggs, and you will add right in our sugar. You can use white sugar. I'm using the brown sugar in here. Since it's a brownie, we are trying to use everything brown. Now, for this recipe, you should use the brown. Alright, now we will try to mix the sugar and the egg. They should melt. They should form a perfect, you know, like a paste. And we will take a look in here. Should we mix a little bit more? The sugar has dissolved. I think we need a little bit more, like maybe a couple more minutes. With the mixer, it gets so easy. Alright, so our sugar and eggs are ready. We will move to the next part. Cocoa powder, unsweetened. We will be using a whole big spoon of cocoa powder. The aroma of the chocolate and the butter is yum. Big spoon right here of the cocoa powder. So we will put it right here. 1 whole spoon. So this is kind of 1-1-1 strategy. 1 spoon of sugar, the big one, 1 spoon of the cocoa powder, and 1 spoon of the all-purpose flour. Easy. Here goes our 1 big spoon in here, and we will mix it up. First, we will put this cocoa powder, and then we need all-purpose flour. 1 whole big spoon. If you have grain allergies or you have gluten issues, you can find a flour which is gluten-free. These days they have all kind of flours. So I'm using regular all-purpose flour. So here goes the all-purpose flour. Easy, right? It will give it a mix. Whoa. Stay here. And with the mixing, we can add our chocolate right in there. You guys see? You can just make sure the mixture is blending in properly. Oh my god, this is gonna be a big paste of chocolate brownie. Alright. We'll turn this off for a minute. We will take our vanilla extract. I would say if you're putting as a, I would say if you're putting in a teaspoon, half teaspoon of vanilla extract goes right here. It's just for the flavors. Now comes the secret guy right here, pumpkin pie spread spice. You can get pie spread, you can get regular spice, it doesn't matter. They all are for the baking actually. Half tablespoon of pumpkin spice. It goes with the season. We are in October and it's the season of pumpkin. So half spoon goes right there. Oh wow, yummy. And we are almost there with our recipe. That's so good to know. This is our brownie tray. Put the butter paper right on top. I would put the shiny side at the bottom. Alright, it's time to put the mixture right here. Look how shiny it is. Wow. It's sticky, shiny. Just spread it evenly so it forms a rectangular shape. This is actually a very easy, quick recipe. Okay, I have a chocolate again with the almonds. Just rough cuts. So chocolate, and we will just sprinkle roughly the chocolate on top of it. This is the best seasonal dessert, I would say, with the pumpkin spice. So guys, our batter is ready. We will put our oven at 350 degrees and we will bake this for at least 35 minutes. It will rise up a little bit and it will be after 35 minutes. You guys will be surprised how delicious it's gonna look. This is the aftermath of making that brownie. So in 35 minutes, we will clean all this pot. After 35 minutes, our delicious pumpkin spice brownie is ready, guys. You know what we will do? I'll just let it settle at least for 10 minutes on a room temperature. Alright, let's... Oh wow, dish this out. And it's still hot. Yeah, look, it's warmer a little bit. Alright guys, so here you go, the brownie. Take a knife. It's still soft. It's still hot and soft. So you'll just make cuts for now. So this is what it is, guys. Take a look here. Oh wow, it's so soft. Yummy. And brownies. Check this, guys. You can literally make this recipe in 40-45 minutes. Fresh pumpkin spice chocolate brownie. super delicious, easy to make, wonderfully taste, less oily actually. So the cup of tea or a coffee for this season, it's a bomb recipe. Anyway guys, do try this recipe, this dessert, and subscribe the channel, like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you on the next one with another delicious recipe for you, which you can make yourself, not with the mess, which you can make yourself. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye for now.